Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine barrel using an easy method. First, you will need to select the right wood, typically white oak, either American or French. These woods impart distinct flavors to the wine. Next, cut your chosen wood into staves, which are the curved pieces forming the barrel's body. Finally, season these staves outdoors for at least 2 years. This natural process removes undesirable tannins and prepares the wood for shaping. Once your staves are seasoned, it's time to shape them. Each stave needs a precise curve and bevel to ensure a watertight seal when assembled. Begin by arranging the staves inside a temporary metal hoop, slowly drawing them together. A specialized tool called a windlass then helps to pull the staves even tighter, creating the iconic barrel shape. This careful assembly is crucial for the barrel's structural integrity. With the barrel shape established, permanent metal hoops are driven into place, securing the staves tightly. Next comes the crucial toasting process. The inside of the barrel is exposed to an open flame, which caramelizes the wood sugars and develops complex flavors. You can choose from light, medium, or heavy toasts, each contributing distinct notes like vanilla, spice, or smoke to the wine. This step is vital for flavor development. The final steps involve fitting the barrel heads. These circular pieces are carefully cut and grooved to fit snugly into the barrel ends, creating a completely leak-proof seal. Next, the bung hole for filling and the spigot hole for dispensing are drilled. After assembly, the barrel is thoroughly tested for any leaks. Finally, a protective finish is applied to the exterior, completing your handcrafted wine barrel, ready for its first batch of wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.